In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use variants and component Boolean property in Figma. Start by opening your design so you can work directly on the elements you want to standardize. Variants in Figma are a powerful way to group similar components, things like buttons in different sizes or states, into one organized family. This keeps your design system tidy and makes swapping states incredibly fast. First, create a component from the elements you want to reuse. Select the elements, click the component's icon in the top toolbar, and choose Create Component. This wraps your selection into a reusable building block. With the component selected, look for the component boundary box. Click the plus icon to add new variants. Each click creates another variant inside the same set. So you can build out options like default, hover, or disabled without duplicating separate components. Next, define properties so Figma knows how these variants differ. In the right sidebar, you'll see fields where you can add properties and assign values. For example, create a property called state with values like default and hover, or a property called size with values like small and large. Clear, consistent naming helps you and your team quickly understand what each variant represents and makes switching between them predictable. To use your work, open the Assets panel, find your component, and drag an instance onto the canvas. With the instance selected, use the right-hand panel to switch between variant values. You'll see the instance update instantly, while your core component remains the single source of truth. Now, let's make components even more flexible with Boolean properties, which act as simple on-off toggles to show or hide layers inside a component. Inside your main component, select the specific nested layer you want to control, such as an icon. In the Layer section of the right sidebar, under Appearance, click the Apply Property icon, which looks like a diamond with a plus. This converts that layer's visibility into a property you can toggle. Name the property, for example, Icon, and set its default to True if you want it visible by default, or False if you want it hidden. When you use an instance of this component, you'll now see that property in the right panel. Toggle it on or off to show or hide the layer, and combine it with your variant properties for states or sizes. This approach saves time and avoids creating unnecessary duplicate variants. That's it. Thanks for watching.